Dear students, the next lesson of NCERT 10th triangles. So here we will learn the similar triangles and congruent triangles. So this is the introduction part. See here, similar figures are nothing but two figures having the same shape and not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Here the similar figures are nothing but the two figures having same shape, only same shape. Okay, size is maybe different. So here I have drawn a diagrams here. So there are two circles. This is center. So consider this is a radius of one circle 5 centimeter and small circle radius is 2 centimeter. Yes, here the size is different but the shapes are same. Okay, the shapes are in circles, so these are similar figures. So here also we have squares. So consider this is a 3 centimeter 3 centimeter, the sides are 3 centimeter, and another square 1 centimeter 1 centimeter. Okay, here the sizes are different but shapes are same. So in this case also the two triangles have same shape but different lengths. Okay, so these are what the similar figures. So similar figures have same shape, only same shape. Okay, so then next, congruent figures. So in congruent figures, two figures are said to be congruent if they have the same shape and same size. Okay, here it must satisfy two conditions, same shape and same size. So here both are circles, same shape, then size. Here this is 2 centimeter, the radius is 2 centimeter, both have same size. This is what congruent figure. So here also we have two squares of sides. This is 3 centimeter, these are 3 centimeter. Okay, these are also have same shape and same size. So these are congruent figures. Okay, so here we can say congruent figures are similar. Okay, because these have same shape, right? These have same shapes. So if they have same shape means these are similar. So here congruent figures are similar. Okay, this is the condition. We conclude that the congruent figures are similar because they have same shape. So but similar figures are not congruent because the sizes are different here, but in congruent size and shape must be same. So similar figures are not congruent because shapes are same but sizes are different. So we can say similar figures are not congruent. Similar figures are not congruent. So here these are what the similar figures and congruent figures. Okay, let us now learn the exercise 2.1, the first exercise of triangles. So here in this case, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the brackets. Okay, so here we will learn the fill in the blanks. Here all circles are dash. So here we know all circles means, so in generally you can take all circles. Okay, see this is one circle and this is one circle, this is another circle, all circles. So here all circles are, they have same shapes. It means these are similar. The all circles are what? The similar. All circles are similar. Next, all squares are. Okay, here also all squares means, so this is one square, this is another square, and one more square. These squares are what? These have same shapes. Don't consider size, they have given all squares. So that's why these are also what? Similar. All squares are similar. Next, third one is all dash triangles are similar. So similar means they must have same shapes. Okay, so here consider this is isosceles and another one equilateral. So here we know equilateral means this is equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle. So they have same sizes, lengths of the three sides are same. Okay, so here in equilateral cases the shapes are same. Okay, so that's why shape same means the equilateral triangles are similar. Okay, here the answer is equilateral triangle. Yes, now next, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. So here they have given two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Let's consider the polygon means any, you can say any quadrilateral or pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. Okay, so they are similar if their corresponding angles are, yes, so here I just consider a, this is a polygon. Okay, these are similar. Okay, these are similar polygons, quadrilateral. So when they are similar, their corresponding angles are, okay, here the corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are, so one is equal and another one is here proportional. So here if they have 3, 3, 3, 3, consider this as 4, 4, 4, then the proportion is this side 3 by 4 and this is 3 by 4 and this is 3 by 4. So another last side 3 by 4. So these are in same proportion. Okay, so that's why we call when the two polygons are similar, when their angles are same and sides are in same proportion. So here, so second question is, give two different examples of pair of, first one is similar figure. So similar means, so here we have learned similar means angles are equal, sides are in proportion. Okay, so here I take two similar figures like okay, different examples. I take one is triangle. So here the angles I take 60, 60, 60 degree. Okay, here also the angles are same. So angles are same, then sides are in proportion. If you take this is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2. So I take this is 4, 4, 4. Okay, this is what? Angles are same. And sides are proportion. Same proportion. So I take another example. We have to take two examples. Second example I take the square. Okay, here the angles always 90 degree. So I take size, this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. The another one, the square I take here of 6 centimeter. Okay, so here also the angles are same and the sides are in proportion. So here 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 3 by 6, 3 by 6. Here 2 by 4, 2 by 4, 2 by 4. The sides are in same proportion. So another, the second one for non-similar figures. So second one is non-similar figures. Here I take non-similar figures. So non-similar means the angles are not same or sides are in not proportion. Okay, so here I take one is trapezium, ABCD. So another one is square, PQRS. These are what? The non-similar figures. So another I take second one, right angle triangle and equilateral triangle. These are also what? Not non-similar figures because the angles are different and sides are not in proportion. So next, third question is, state whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. Okay, we have to see these whether these are similar or not. So here the angles are not different, so angles are different here. Okay, so in PQRS and ABCD the angles are not equal. See, here always 90 degree, but here the angles are very different. So the angles are not equal means these are not similar. So on considering size 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, 1.5 by 3, so the sides are in proportion. Okay, so here sides are in proportion, but in PQRS and ABCD the angles are not equal. So these are not similar.